Hello everyone, welcome back to Upgrowth. You're publishing content every month, but do you actually know what business impact it is likely to drive? This tool estimates that for you. This is FinTech Content Impact Quick Estimator by Upgrowth. You just fill in 7 inputs about your content plan and business context, and the tool gives you instant impact signal on the right hand side. No waiting, no submission needed. And let me walk you through this. The left panel is your input section. So let's go through it one by one. First is blog posts per month. Enter how many pieces of SEO relevant content you publish monthly. Consistent publishing drives compounding visibility, so this number directly affects your impact estimate. And second is target market. Choose from India, global, or a specific region. Global markets typically need more localization and broader topic coverage to compete effectively. Third is average deal value. Select your typical contract size or customer lifetime value bracket. This helps the tool understand whether your content needs to support high consideration or transactional buying decisions. And fourth is sales motion. Choose from B2B, B2C, or if it is hybrid. B2B content usually requires longer nurturing cycles but can unlock significant higher deal value. And the fifth input is content quality level. Rate your own content honestly from basic, good, or strong based on depth, use of original insights, proof points, and use cases. And sixth is current organic baseline. Select what describes best describes your current reach, whether you're starting from scratch, building visibility, or already established. And the seventh is CTA strength on content pages. This is about how well your pages convert readers into action, like booking a call, signing up, or requesting a demo CTA. As you adjust any input on the left, the right panel updates instantly. So on the right hand side on the result section, it shows you content impact potential here, whether that is low, medium, or high, along with the time to impact range, so you know roughly when results can be expected. Below you get a breakdown of what your current plan is likely to unlock and a set of recommended next moves that is specific to your inputs and not a generic advice. And here the score at the bottom gives you directional number out of 100 based on all 7 factors combined. So content without a clear impact estimate is just a cost center. This tool helps you treat it like a growth lever. If your score is lower than expected, Approach can help you close the gap with content strategy, topic clusters, and XEO execution built specifically for fintech. So get in touch with Upgrowth with the link here. Book a growth consultation with us. Let's talk. Thank you.